Introduce highlight features or overview summary of LOXP, Anti-Shake Motorcycle Phone Mount, 2026 Dual Vibration Dampener. There are features include: patented dual shock absorption, 2026 third generation upgrade, ride smoother on any road. This motorcycle phone mount uses third generation patented dual shock absorption to reduce up to 95% of vibration, protecting your phone and camera from damage on rough terrain or at high speeds. Enjoy clear navigation and rock-solid stability mile after mile. One-hand install and quick release, no tools needed. Mount or remove your phone from the bike phone holder in just 1 second with the press-to-lock handlebar clip. No tools, no drilling, no permanent changes. The secure locking design keeps your phone firmly in place through bumps, turns, and fast rides, perfect for riders who frequently switch bikes. Wide compatibility with phones and handlebars. This universal motorcycle phone holder is designed to fit 4.7 to 7.0-inch smartphones, cases up to 0.59-inch thick, including iPhone 17, 16, 15, 14, 13 series. It fits round handlebars between 0.68 to 1.18-inch on bikes, e-bikes, motorcycles, scooters, ATVs, and strollers. Note: extra-large phones with bulky cases may not fit. 360 degrees adjustable viewing, clear GPS, no shaking. The 360 degrees rotating ball joint on this cell phone holder for bike lets you switch easily between portrait and landscape views. Precision locking keeps your screen steady so GPS, calls, and music stay clear and readable, without constant readjusting while riding. Tested for safety. Built to last, built from premium alloy, composite plastic, and shock-absorbing silicone, this phone holder for motorcycle has passed 5,000 plus safety tests. Perfect for daily commuters, food delivery drivers, weekend adventurers, and long-distance touring riders, delivering dependable protection for your phone. Full phone access while mounted. The smart open-frame design of these phone holders for your bike ensures that ports, buttons, Face ID, and wire charging remain fully accessible. Answer calls, charge your phone, and control music without removing your device, so your ride stays smooth and uninterrupted. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.